The Vivo X100 Pro has a metal and glass design, which looks different from the model it replaces because of its new and larger camera layout. The phone runs the latest FunTouch OS 14, which is based on Android 14. The display's resolution remains the same as before, but is now a lot brighter, reaching 3000 nits of peak brightness when needed. It still maintains the same 3D curved edges, which can be a bit distracting when viewed outdoors. Image quality is top-notch and video quality too seems to have improved. Vivo's unique floating periscope telephoto camera lets users shoot portraits from a lot closer than what's currently possible on most smartphones, which is a nice addition to its overall impressive camera performance. The phone allows for a day and a half of usage on a single charge thanks to its large battery, and charging is pretty fast as well. Also, Vivo X100 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset with 12GB/16GB of RAM and 256GB/512GB/1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The 12GB/16GB of RAM delivers outstanding overall performance for opening and running applications.